Welcome back to CatXplained. Building a high-end gaming rig requires extreme precision. First, our lead technician carefully drops the multi-core processor directly into the socket. Next, we need to keep things freezing cold. A perfectly satisfying drop of premium thermal paste is applied dead center to the chip. Time for some serious speed. High-capacity RGB memory sticks are firmly pressed down until you hear that flawless double click. Now for the absolute powerhouse. A massive next-generation graphics card is perfectly aligned and slotted in to handle ultra-realistic visuals. Finally, the tempered glass side panel is secured. We power up the system and finish with the most satisfying peel in the tech world. Game on.